Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Baby Marshmello in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and for this one we're gonna draw the top a little bit curved to make it a little bit more interesting. So we're gonna draw one line across. This is gonna be the top of his head. And then from here, on the corners, we're just gonna come down. So this is pretty much like a box shape. And on the bottom here, we'll just go with a straight line across. Alright, so that's gonna be the head shape, and then we're gonna draw in his face. So for his face, we're gonna start with the mouth shape first. We're gonna draw one curve, just going all the way across. So it's like a smiley face. And then from the corner here, we're just gonna come back down a little bit wider on the bottom. Okay, so one big smile, and now for the eye shape, which is always a little bit tricky. So start in the middle here, just come up right around here and come across. I'm gonna draw like a little U shape, and then another one, go all the way almost to the corner of the mouth right there. So same thing here, middle, come out. Let's draw two, almost like a really wide looking W. Alright, so that's the trickiest part, and then once you have this, just kind of curve this one in. So stop halfway, and then we're gonna go up on each side and just come back down to the middle. Okay, so up, flare out, and then curve it, come back down to the middle. Very tricky shape to draw. Alright, so that's the head, and the body's a lot easier. So let's just start with the overall shape here. We're gonna come down on the side. Come down, and then we're gonna come across. This is gonna be bottom of his sweater. And now let's add in some details on the body here. So for the body, just come right in the middle here, off to the side. Just draw like a little, kind of like a rounded rectangle first. And then to finish that off, I'm gonna add in one line and a little triangle here. And then we have to draw in the belt now, going around this thing, behind it. Okay, so around the top here, just come across. And then same thing on the bottom here. Same slant. Let's go all the way up to the side. And then for a little bit more detail, we can add in a little bit of, I guess like a buckle detail. And then now we can draw in the collar. So here's the middle. We're just gonna draw one curve, and we're not gonna see this side of it. And then we're gonna give this collar a little bit of thickness, so we're gonna come across. All right, and then for some details here in the bottom, same curve. And then we're gonna start in the middle. I'm just gonna draw in these little lines all the way across. Alright, so now let's draw his arms, and his arms gonna be really simple. Let's just start up here. We're gonna curve it all the way down past his body. And then we're gonna go up toward the body and then angle it this way. Okay, and then here's the armpit. It's a little bit lower. Close that off. And then from this corner, draw one line, another line going up. And then same details here. I'm just gonna draw two lines just like those. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So start up here, curve all the way down. Use the other side for reference. Slant toward the body, and then go up. Armpit, curve, close it, come across. One more line up here, and then same detail on the cuff. And then for the fist, we can add a little bit line just for the thumb. All right, so now let's finish up the legs. Are really easy to draw. So we're gonna start in the middle here. Just draw one little line first. And then now we're gonna come out to the side just kind of extend that line, come in, and then just curve it up into that line. And then for the lower leg, we're just gonna slant down, close it, dome shape coming down, and have it go out a little bit more on this side. Close it, and then just one little detail there. And then same thing here, so we're coming down, continue that line. So when you close this, just make sure it's a little bit slanted going out this way. Curve, and then this one's gonna curve down out more. Close it, same detail. And then to add in some detail here, I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. 2 more on this side. And then lastly, just a little bit more detail on his pants here. So I'm gonna draw 1 line and then just give it some thickness. And that is it for this Baby Marshmello in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.